guys. I'm feeling cute today, so I thought I'd make a video of me doing random shit and talking about random shit. Been up since 7. I don't know why I wake up so early. Took my doggy on a walk. Went to Target, got some Jamba Juice. So yeah, I feel like making stuff today. I've been wanting to make stuff for a while. I haven't been in the mood. I think putting myself together and getting ready really motivates me to do stuff, because when I'm like at a 4, you know, I don't want to do anything. But right now I'm at a 10, so I want to do everything. Can we just do like a quick outfit check? Okay, so I got this top from AliExpress. This skirt was from Wish. So yeah, everything is really affordable. The only thing that was the most expensive are my shoes. But yeah, isn't my outfit so cute? I hope it's not blurry, because last time it was really blurry, and I think it is. But yeah, you guys see the whole fit? The whole fit. Yeah. I haven't gotten dressed up in a while, so it was nice. Yeah, I really just need to put content up. I know I say this all the time, but I think I'm funny, and I think I have cool shit to say. I see YouTubers on here all the time that get like hella views, and they're not even interesting, and I'm like, you know what, I feel like you guys are low-key. Not that my life is interesting at all, but I don't know. I don't even know what I'm trying to say right now. I was gonna shave my legs. My fucking mom went in the shower. What else did I get? Oh, the shades when I got. Oh my god, I forgot that I got my dog a toy. You guys will be the first ones to watch him. Is that a new toy? Is that a new toy? Oh, you guys can't see, damn it. Is that a new toy? Huh? I got him bananas. Oh. Yes. 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 Okay. Let's take it out. Let's get these bad boys. On, you animal. I don't want to break my nails. Oh, but oh, he almost fell off. Oh, he goes crazy over new toys. Like, no, hold on, Papa. I can't get this last one off. Really? Oh, it's on there. It's on there good. Like, please. Hold on. I'm gonna rip it off. No, I'm not. I'm gonna like, this thing's gonna like rip. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Oh god. It's a banana. Look. You can rip it apart. I'm gonna keep it in there. It's a banana! It's a banana! He's let me play with that for a week straight. He's gonna take that. I don't think he needs this one. Oh my god, you got 2 bananas! Oh my god, you got 2 bananas! Get off me! Savage. What else did I get? Oh yeah, I ran out of my SPF, so I got some more. The one that I really like is the Neutrogena Healthy Defense Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen. SPF 50. Lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer. Got some Clorox wipes and some razors. Okay, well, since my mom, I can't take you guys to share my legs with me yet. I was gonna dab, but if I dab, I probably won't be as focused to do my resin. I got this off AliExpress, and I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. That's okay. That's okay. I'm really excited. The only thing I hate is I get to wait like 24 fucking hours for this test to get hard. That's what she said. And I'm like super impatient. Like I just want to make it and like I would be done in like an hour. No, the last day is like, you know. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get out all the supplies that I have. Okay, so there was like no ending to that. There was no middle, no nothing. That was just a quick vid. Hope you guys liked it. It was supposed to be a vlog, like an all-day vlog, but I didn't like it, so yeah. Catch you guys.